Welcome.
In this video, we'll explore the key differences between our new Phantom Camera Control software, PCC4, and the legacy PCC3 user interface. This video will first cover why we developed the new software. I will then give a quick overview of the new UI. Then we'll get into the primary topic of UI differences from our current release. I will wrap up with our planned transition to PCC4. Before diving in, let's talk about why we developed the software. So PCC3 has been a reliable platform for years, but as high-speed applications expanded and user needs evolved, updates became essential. However, the underlying architecture of PCC3 made it increasingly difficult to keep pace with functional updates and growing feature requests. To deliver new capabilities faster and more reliably, we needed a ground-up redesign, a platform built for flexibility, scalability, and speed. PCC4 provides that foundation, enabling us to release enhancements without compromising stability. Equally important, we maintain backwards compatibility. Our SDK remains fully supported, so existing PCC3 installations and third-party integrations will continue to work seamlessly. When both programs are open side by side, the differences are clear, but there are also some familiar elements. In both versions, the two main functional areas, capture and playback, are organized in dedicated tabs. In PCC3, connected cameras appear automatically in the Manager tab, which does not exist in PCC4. Instead, cameras are added from the Setup and Record tab. Once added, the project can be saved so that next time you open PCC, your cameras are ready to go. A green indicator confirms when a camera is connected and ready. A key goal of PCC4 was to introduce an intuitive interface that simplifies navigation and improves usability based on direct input from Phantom camera users during development. The design focuses on flexibility and efficiency, with improved navigation compared to PCC3's more static interface. Camera settings are now grouped logically under expandable sections, with sliders and toggles replacing many manual entries. Clear call-to-action buttons guide the workflow, making setup faster, more intuitive, and easier to manage. Panels such as images, inspector, or tracks can be collapsed or moved to a second monitor. Multi-monitor support is a powerful feature here for managing large camera networks or multiple playback files. One notable difference is how previously saved cine files are opened. From the Play and Save tab, local cine files are accessed through the Cines subtab. A new feature allows multiple Cines subtabs to keep sets of files organized during your session. Any cine located in a connected camera or cine station appears in the default Cameras subtab. A major upgrade in PCC4 is multi-camera workflow management and grouping. Each camera's primary settings, including sync and trigger position, are visible in the Tracks panel, allowing quick confirmation before a test. When cameras are grouped and the group is collapsed, any setting change on the group track applies to all cameras within that group. For large camera groups, especially high-resolution setups, live refresh rates and controls can lag. PCC4 solves this with thumbnail mode, which keeps one camera view live while others display thumbnails. This reduces system load and improves responsiveness. Other enhancements have to do with playback and saving, where it is now possible to playback multiple cines together with precise frame number or time-based alignment. Specifying the file naming convention and format preferences in advance via the settings menu will save time and keep files organized. Our goal is to include all major PCC3 features in PCC4, along with new capabilities. At launch, some PCC3 features, such as data acquisition, automatic capture functions, and continuous recording are not yet available. These are part of our development roadmap and will be introduced in future updates. Expect ongoing enhancements and more customization options over time. Our transition strategy ensures continuity and flexibility. PCC 3 will remain available for download and will be fully supported until all major functions are established in PCC 4. Both versions install separately and can even run in parallel. This approach allows you to continue using PCC 3 for critical workflows while gradually adopting PCC 4's enhanced capabilities. Our goal is to give you confidence that when you move to PCC 4, you'll have everything you need and more. So if you're ready to experience the new PCC 4, download the latest version from our website and check out our tutorial videos and in-program user guide for a smooth transition. Look for instructions in the guide to provide feedback and requests for future enhancements as well. Thank you for your time.